Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. First, power off your HP ProBook 470G2 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to ensure your safety during the repair. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. There are typically 10 screws to remove. Keep them organized, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom cover. Be careful not to damage the clips as you work your way around the edges. Once the cover is removed, locate the speaker assembly. It should be positioned near the front of the laptop. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to check for any dust or debris inside the laptop. If you find any, use compressed air to clean the interior gently. This ensures optimal performance and longevity of your device. Next, you will see the speaker connected to the motherboard with a small cable. Carefully disconnect this cable using your tweezers. Take your time to avoid any damage. Now, remove the screws that hold the speaker in place. There are typically 2 screws, keep these with the others you removed earlier. Now, gently lift out the old speaker and set it aside. Take your new speaker and position it where the old one was. Make sure it aligns properly with the screw holes. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws. Reconnect the speaker cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly attached. This connection is critical for the speaker to work correctly. Before reassembling the laptop, double-check that everything is secure and that there are no leftover screws. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Now, place the bottom cover back onto the laptop. Align it correctly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Power on your HP ProBook 470G2 and test the new speaker to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your tech needs. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the speaker on your HP ProBook 470G2. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.